How to make 4-cheese pizza, Quattro Formaggi. Hey there, pizza lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making something super cheesy and absolutely delicious, a 4-cheese pizza, also known as Quattro Formaggi. This pizza is perfect for all you cheese enthusiasts out there. We're talking mozzarella, gorgonzola, parmesan, and ricotta all melted together in cheesy perfection. Let's dive right in. Ingredients. Let's start by going over the ingredients you'll need to make this mouth-watering 4-cheese pizza. For the dough, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 packet of instant yeast, 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And for the toppings, half a cup of tomato sauce, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup of gorgonzola cheese, crumbled, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, grated, half a cup of ricotta cheese, a pinch of black pepper and oregano. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started with the dough. Making the dough. First up, let's make our pizza dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 packet of instant yeast. Stir these dry ingredients together until they're well mixed. Next, add 1 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the bowl. Now, it's time to get your hands in there. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your dough is looking good, place it in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a clean cloth, and let it rise for about an hour until it doubles in size. Preparing the toppings. While our dough is rising, let's get our cheeses ready. We've got 1 cup of shredded mozzarella, half a cup of crumbled gorgonzola, half a cup of grated Parmesan, and half a cup of ricotta. These 4 cheeses are what make this pizza so special. Each one adds a different texture and flavor, creating a cheesy harmony you won't be able to resist. Assembling the pizza. Our dough has risen beautifully, so let's preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. On a floured surface, roll out the dough into a thin circle about the size of your pizza pan. Place the dough on your pizza pan or a baking sheet. Spread half a cup of tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a little border around the edges. Now for the fun part, adding the cheese. Start with the 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. Spread it evenly over the tomato sauce. Next, sprinkle the crumbled gorgonzola cheese over the mozzarella. Then, add the grated Parmesan, and finally, dollop the ricotta cheese in small spoonfuls all over the pizza. Season with a pinch of black pepper and oregano to enhance those cheesy flavors. Baking the pizza. Pop your pizza into the preheated oven and let it bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. The final touch. Our 4-cheese pizza is fresh out of the oven, and it looks amazing. Let it cool for a minute before slicing it up. This pizza is pure cheesy goodness. Each bite is rich, creamy, and packed with flavor from the different cheeses. It's perfect for a cozy night in or for impressing your friends. And that's how you make a delicious 4-cheese pizza at home. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tasty recipes. Drop a comment below and let me know what your favorite type of pizza is. If you try this recipe, I'd love to hear how it turned out. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your cheesy pizza.